why won't my truck start? And any vehicle for that matter. We're getting close to winter here, and these are concerns that we have, and we want to make sure if it's cold outside, we come out, we don't have a vehicle that doesn't start, and then we're stuck somewhere with freezing cold weather. So some issues that might happen that could cause it, and then we'll talk about some warning signs. So first off, you could have an alternator that's not charging. You could have a weak battery or a defective battery. You could have no gas in your car. That's a big one. You know, gauge stops working and you think you got gas and you don't. You could have a fuel pump that's going out. All these are signs that you might have a issue here. This is a belt tensioner, so this actually came in not that long ago. This is supposed to be attached here, and then the belt rides on that. Now, if that belt isn't spinning, that's not going to allow the alternator to charge, which is therefore not going to charge the battery, and that could leave you sitting. So what are some signs here? Number one, if you have a belt squealing, that could be the sign that the belt's wearing out. You want to catch that before that belt breaks. A dash light, the battery light. The battery light typically comes on from an alternator or some issue with that system. Maybe a ground that's not good, power connection at the alternator. It actually does not come on from the battery. So you might have a weak alternator there. The other big one is a slow crank. So you turn the key or you push start, and the crank is a lot slower than what it was before. That's a sign that that battery's getting weak and it's not turning that vehicle over. And you can see here's a battery that is pretty old. You can see the corrosion starting to happen here. So those are signs that maybe you pop the hood and that battery looks like it's getting old, or you got a lot of corrosion on there. That's definitely something you want to take care of before you have an issue with it starting. So any questions about that, give us a call here at Carz or Russell Machesney Park.
877-4277